Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making an advent calendar for Christmas. So this will be my first official video for my Christmas series for 2021. To make the advent calendar, you will need an A4 piece of paper, a ruler, coloured textures, preferably red and green, must be there because they're the main colours of Christmas. You will need a glue stick and scissors, as well as a grey lead pencil and an eraser. So your first step will be to draw a 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter square. Making sure it's in the middle, enough room to put more squares on either side that are the same size. Then we want to draw our squares, one attached to each side of the table. Same length, 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Now you will need to draw your tab. So basically all you'll do is on one side of each cube you will do what I'm doing here, basically draw up, across, down. They can't be too big, no one's gonna see these, so you can muck up without an eraser as much as you like, as long as they don't go inside the square. And at the top one you have a specific place, but you put it right at the very end. So your next step will be to draw a 25, making sure the bottom of your numbers is down the bottom and is down this end. And then your next step will be to do your design. Now there are different types. I'm just going to do the star design. Some people could do Santa designs, reindeer designs, sort of them. But I'm just going to do a simple, quick and easy design, which is basically just a simple star design. Which is drawing across and then drawing across straight through it. And then repeating that method on each box, in each square. Alright, so your next step is to just cut it on out. So that is that. So your next step is to fold. So you'll just fold along every single line. is to glue. So you'll use the tabs we put on the side earlier to glue them. You'll put the glue on them, and then you'll pull the closest side to the closest square to the tab together, and you will just rub. And then when it gets to the last two tabs, you glue them both before you stick. And then you just repeat that process 25 times. Alright, so your next step will be to find something big enough. So we just ended up using the shoebox lid in the end because what we made just didn't work for some reason. Probably my measurements were wrong, but anyway, good enough time than any to improvise. And these, you can put basically whatever you like in them. So you can put erasers, you can put lollies, you could put, just find little things for the person you're making it for that they will like, basically. Or if you're making it for yourself even, do it that way. So basically, yes. So that is it for this video. So please like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Hey It's Jess8, which will be linked in the description box down below. Also, please subscribe for more fun DIYs like this. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.